Hi guys, in front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. At first, you have to open your phone dialer, go to keypad, and let's start with the first code, which is *##, 4636, *##. And as you can see here, we've got testing mode. It is performed by Google, where you can check phone info. So for both SIM cards, you've got kind of checkup in which you can find email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, and so on. If you will scroll a bit lower, you will be able to access more options. So for example, you can activate Wi-Fi calling and so on. However, at first you need to input your SIM card. I don't have mine, that's why there's no info. So it's all the same with phone info, the second, because it's for the second SIM slot. And then you can also check Wi-Fi info, in which you will be able to see Wi-Fi APA, configuration, and status. Wi-Fi status allows you to see all the details. Then Wi-Fi configuration would provide you with all info regarding connected networks, and then APA is for disabled network, connected network, enabled network, configured networks, and also the whole connection info. So that's all for this code. Let me go back. So that was the testing mode performed by Google. And another code that you can use is *##, 225, *##. And here you've got the calendar info. So as you can see, all calendars or events are here included. You will not forget about any upcoming events by using this smooth code. So let's go back. And another one that you can use is *##, 426, *##. And here you've got FCM diagnostic mode, in which you've got events and status. If you want to get some more knowledge, tap on more icon and click on advanced view to see a bit more info. So that's it. And the last code that I wish to show you is *##, 06. It's super quick code, I think one of most important, because it shows email and serial number. So these are unique numbers assigned to your device. Tap on OK to exit, and that's it. So this is how you can use secret codes on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.